Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make cassava cake. It's a traditional dessert made from grated cassava, coconut milk and sugar. It's very popular dish in Malaysia, Philippines and more different country will consume as a dessert. So friends, this is so delight and you're going to love this recipe. Let's see how to make. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification of new recipes. So friend, cassava is a type of root vegetable. It's very high in benefit, mineral and vitamins contained in this root vegetable. But nowadays we didn't know what to use this vegetable and we just avoid to not use it anymore. So friends, to make this simply delicious cake, all you need is 2 cup grated cassava, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon butter, half cup of sugar. So today I used the brown sugar. You always can use white sugar or jaggery. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of the yellow color. The yellow color is optional, so you always can avoid. So you need we're going to steam this cake, so we need to have steam pot and the steam proof container and the banana leaf. So friend, let's see how to peel this cassava. So friend, this is the how to peel the cassava. So the skin little bit thicker. So normally this is the young tender cassava. So because where we live they always consume the harvesting, so the cassava is really tender. So in Asia we have the the old cassava, so it's easily to peel. Once you peel, you need to wash it with the running water and we're going to grate it. So you need to use the smallest grated in the, or you always can run to the food processor. So after grated, I'm going to show you how to make burnt sugar or caramel syrup. So in a pot, just add the 2 tablespoons sugar and let it burn. So this is the smoking point. You no need to stir it or you no need to mix it. Just get the pot and shake it out. That's it friend. The sugars melt already. Now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons water. So the amount is equal always to make the syrup. How much the syrup you're going to make it? If you use the 1 cup of the sugar, 1 cup water. So it's simple burnt syrup or caramel syrup. So keep it ready aside. So the grated cassava is ready. Now we need to squeeze it all the excess water. So always use that cheesecloth to squeeze all that water from the grated cassava. The reason why, because the water have little bitterness, it might ruin our cassava, but it's optional too. Some of recipe they'll let you keep it, but I prefer to remove all that water. So next we're going to butter the container, which one we're going to use for steam. So now I'm adding the syrup in the bottom. Friend, after we add the syrup, we're going to spread it to all the side and keep it aside. So please cut the banana leaf. So what is the purpose? Banana leaf is giving nice fragrance to our cassava cake. So I just add a cup of milk, coconut milk. So and then I add the light brown sugar. So friends, this is simple recipe Is not breaking your head. No need to beat or anything. Just add it and mix it. We no need to beat until get like a fluffy texture or nothing like that. It's just pretty simple, and you can make it. It is come perfectly, no time, friends, if you follow this easy recipe. Now I fill up this all the cassava mixture to the container that I'm going to use for steaming, and I'm just press it down with the banana leaf, and I'm going to cover it because the steaming water might get into the cake and it will loosen up the texture of the cassava cake. So that's the purpose of a banana leaf. So we're going to steam this cake for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes the cake is fully cooked. Let me show you. So just left the cake, and it's pretty much same for the cake checking steps. Just take the stick and press it down. When come clean, it's fully cooked. So I just double check is all cooked finely on the side. So let it cool at least 30 minutes. It's now cool completely, friends. So we just move around with some flatten or sharpen knife on the edge, so it will easily came off. So I'm just flip all off to in one plate. So I'm going to show you how it came. It smells so good, friends, and then look at this. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's fully cooked. And look at the color, the caramel syrup, it's just divine. Can't wait to try this delicious cake, friends. So this is the one of the signature Malay Nyonya kue. It's a baked tapioca cake or kue bingka. It's a traditional Malaysian semi-soft, chewy and fragrant. It's so good. Its aroma so delightful. So I just decorate some coconut on the top. This cake is perfect. You can serve as a new version of dessert. It's actually been doing for many years in a different country, but the reason I bring this cake is one of we want to try to bring the use all that benefit of the tapioca root vegetable and the cassava, because this is have high beneficial for our health. So I just bring up, so you can make different type of the recipe from this wonderful vegetable. So friends, this cassava cake is very sweet, light, chewy, and it's so delicious, friend. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell button to get notification every day. Thank you.